How to change your country in OneXpert app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OneXpert app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to change the country of your OneXpert account, you need to select this menu option in the bottom right corner. Next up, in the top left corner, you can see a profile icon. Tap on it. Over here in this personal information section, you can see your country, but there is no option to change your country here. If you select this enter details option in the top, from here you can change your city, but it depends on the country that you are from, and it does not have any options to change the country. So the only way to change the country in OneXpert app is you need to use the VPN for that. You need to install the third-party VPN on your phone. For now, I have Secure VPN on my phone. I will launch this. On your VPN, select the server that you want to change it to. Let's say United States. If I go back to the OneXpert app, the server of the OneXpert app will be changed. So that's how you can easily change country in your OneXpert account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.